Hey everybody, today we're at Joyous Outlook. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath villa on St. Croix North Shore in estate LaVallee. This place is impeccable. You can look long and hard, high and low, and you will never find a home in this perfect condition. The owner has done a complete remodel from top to bottom. Everything is brand new, from the kitchen, the bathrooms, the appliances, even the electrical is all brand spanking new. Double lot, so you got room to add on, and it's the only property on St. Croix North Shore in LaVallee that has a garage. You're going to be really impressed with this place. Let's go check it out. Okay, I'm starting out on the adjacent property. As you can see, there's actually a flag marker right there, that orange flag. That delineates the boundary line between 114C and this additional property. I'm actually standing on the cistern right here. Notice the 2 cistern covers. There's also actually a separate septic tank and drain field down here. So if you wanted to rebuild this property into a separate cottage, guest house, or whatever, you can do that. Otherwise, you can use it as additional water supply for the main house, which is great. It also provides a ton of parking. Look at all of this space here. I mean, you could park probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars easy, maybe even 6. And then here's your neighbor's property right next door. All right, we're gonna make our way past the parking lot, past the coconut tree, and head over into the garage. Now remember, this is the only garage in LaVallee on the waterfront, so it's a pretty big bonus. And one of the really cool things is if you decide you don't want a garage, easily converted into a separate guest apartment, guest suite, or a combo office on this wall. You know, you could put up a dividing wall here and make this an office with an ocean view and still have a 1-car garage, or convert it into an entire apartment. That's up to you. The ceilings are all finished and beautiful. You've got your plumbing in place. So it would be a really easy conversion to make this space additional residential space. Notice Wi-Fi connected garage door opener, hurricane proof garage door, all new electrical over there. Just a wonderful open space. It's the only garage I've seen with this view, I can tell you. I mean, you pop out here on this little veranda, and here we are looking down at the main house patio, lower patio, private little beach, and a saltwater pool, unlike anything you'll ever see anywhere else on St. Croix. Great space, great property, and an awesome garage. All right, that's the garage. Now let's head down to the main house. All right, you come right off of this parking area and down this beautiful Blue Bitch native stone walkway. Railings on both sides and under your feet. Incredible. And one of my favorite little spots is right here. Oh, honey, go ahead and bring down the rest of the groceries, starting with the rum and Coke. Like that would ever happen. And then continue down, and then you come to the main house, front door, guest bedroom door, down to the pool, up to the patio. But before we head over there, I just want to show you this incredible coral wall that retains the landscaping here. So unique. Steps up, so if you want to do additional gardening here, it would be a great place for an herb garden out of the wind and plenty of sun. And then here's a valve in the gravel. You're like, what the heck is a valve doing here? Well, this pipe, which fills the main house cistern, is connected to the cistern that's just outside of the garage and could be connected to the 3rd cistern above. They gravity feed into the main house cistern, so you've got bonus reserve water supply. Genius. And then a brand new diesel genset belly tank, fully automatic transfer switch, and then additional parking through this gate. So if you're having a big get together, open the gate, cars can come in here, you can park 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, and then check out this little jungle dirt slide down to the waterfront. Imagine sitting down there with a painkiller at cocktail hour. Oh yeah. I mean, you could easily build a set of steps down there. Maybe go in with a set with your neighbor or something. But lots of additional side yard, additional parking, garden space, gazebo. You can do whatever you want over here. Okay, here's the automatic transfer switch, by the way. All right, let's head into the house itself. This place is incredible. Okay, we've made it down to the bottom of the steps, and here's the entrance to the main house. Beautiful custom mahogany door. Covered walkway over to the guest house behind. But first, let's go check out the main house. Check out this amazing living room, kitchen, dining room. Just perfect. Stylish fan, fully air conditioned, impact glass windows throughout. Guest bedroom through the repurposed barn doors. And then the doors off to the ocean side all bifold out. So this whole exterior patio area connects to the interior area, making the perfect indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Amazing. Love it. All right, let's go check out the guest bedroom first. These doors used to be swinging doors, but the owner repurposed them, thank God, because they're gorgeous, into barn door style, which leads into this currently set up as a sitting room, could be an office, or a guest bedroom. It does have a full bath, walk-in closet, and plenty of room for a king-size bed, or 2 queens even. That's a pretty long wall. I measured it, I forget the exact distance, but you could fit 2 queens there. Awesome. Then you just close off the barn doors, and you got complete privacy. Oh, the other thing that's really neat is that's a carpeted loft above. So if you had grandkids or you had overflow guests, you could actually make that an additional sleeping area. Very well thought out. And then we come into the ensuite bath, all brand spanking new. Got a super stylish light there. You need additional light, hit that switch and it gives you, so if you're getting, ready for dinner or whatever, you can put on the makeup. And then a nice, big, comfortable shower with a sitting stool, stylish drain. Look at the attention to detail here. You just don't see that a lot. And then it connects back out to the kitchen area and dining area. So it doubles as a guest bath as well. Ensuite and guest bath. Okay, let's go check out the kitchen. Straight into this gorgeous kitchen. Nice breakfast bar here. All quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, Thermador fridge, Thermador oven and stove. By the way, check out this burner. It's star-shaped. The idea behind this is the outer points of the star heat the outer edge of the pan. The inner part heats the middle part of the pan. Ingenious, super high-end design. Gives you that even heat throughout. And then you've got a really cool drawer-style automatic open, automatic close microwave oven under counter, so it's not eating up any counter space. Gorgeous farm-style sink, gooseneck faucet. I love this design. You can move it anywhere you want. Super cool. Additional lighting. And look at the backsplash. That's a one-piece quartz backsplash. Tons of light, all professionally installed. And this is a really high-end fridge. You'd think you'd pull on it to open it, but if you push, it opens automatically. Love that. So nice. Same thing for the freezer below. Just push it, and it opens right up. Really neat. I mean, this place is impeccably high-end. It's everything, not a corner was cut, not a penny saved. Everything was designed with perfection, quality, and professionalism throughout. Okay, off to the left as we come down, we've got the entrance to the bathroom, additional pantry storage, and then into the master bedroom. How'd you like to wake up to that every morning? Not too bad, huh? Incredible. These doors also fold all the way back, just like the living room. So if you wanted to open this room up completely, you could do that. That's coming in from the kitchen area. You've got a walk-in closet, incredibly beautiful soaring ceilings, fully air conditioned, gorgeous sleigh bed, side door to the side yard. So if you wanted to set up a little patio out here, you could have your own little private master patio area. And then more custom doors, custom cabinets in the bath itself. Opaque mahogany closet, more quartz countertops, and then the same beautiful quartz in the shower. You got the slit drain, and check out this shower head. When you turn it on, red means hot, green means cold. How cool is that? You can tell the temperature of the water just by looking at the lights on the shower head. Now these shades in the bathroom at both windows are controlled by remote. So you literally walk over if you want to close them, hit down or hit up, and they go in either direction. Love that. It's all hands off, easy to operate, super functional. One of the nicest waterfront master bedrooms you'll ever see. Gorgeous. All right, that's pretty much everything on the inside. Now let me show you these bifold doors. I've already opened the ones opposite the kitchen. So here we are in the kitchen, completely open to the outdoor patio. Unbelievable. Let me show you how easy it is to operate these. I get a little bit of a sprinkle right now, which we can definitely use some rain. You literally pull the pin, push the door open. Now swing this first pane all the way across like that, and then grab it here. Literally, I'm doing this with one hand. And then this opens up completely. You can do it to that side as well, and there you are. Indoor, outdoor living. Let me get under the roof here. See if I can stay dry. And then take a look at this from kitchen all the way down to the living room, which of course is only halfway open, and then across the guest house and garage above. Now, you might have noticed these shades are down right now, but there's a remote control that pulls them up. So let me grab it. I'm going to show you how these work. They're super cool. Operating the shades is easy as clicking a couple buttons. You select which one you want to open first. That would be number 1. Then you can switch to number 2, number 3, and number 4. But as you can see, with a simple remote control, you just open up that view from the kitchen and the patio to that gorgeous, kind of a Hawaii style view. Look at the beautiful rain squall down there right now. And they all magically open with no effort at all. Love that. What a great feature. All right, next I'm going to show you how these shutters work. The hurricane shutters are engraded. You can see one here over the living room, one up over the garage door, one over the kitchen door, and one over the master bedroom. Let's go check it out. Time to deploy the storm shutters. Easy as pie. You literally come out here with your remote, turn it on, hit the down button, and here you go. Living room's coming down, garage is coming down, kitchen's coming down, and the master bedroom's coming down. You're done. How much easier can that be? Now remember, you don't need shutters on the windows because they're all impact glass. Incredible. All right, now let's work our way over to the guest house, the private beach, and we'll end it at the pool. Straight off the patio, directly across you have a laundry room, perfectly located between both buildings so everybody has easy access. Back up to parking, into the main house, or this time we're going into the guest house. Before I go in, let me show you these shutters. These used to be louvered open shutters, but they had a carpenter add a solid panel there. So to protect this door in the event of a storm, you just close these like that, and then you move that steel bar over, hook it, lock it, good to go. That's a typical West Indian style shutter that was repurposed to be watertight with that solid panel. All right, matching door as the main door coming in here, so everything sort of ties together nicely. And then you have a really nice, spacious guest house here. Fully appointed kitchen with a full-size oven and stove, micro, a little island on wheels which you can kind of move around, which is nice. And then the same beautiful quartz as the main house. Fridge, ensuite bathroom with your vanity, toilet, gorgeous professionally tiled shower, meticulously nice. And then back out the barn doors into the living room, bedroom area. That's a queen size 4-poster. Easily handle a bigger bed if you wanted, or reconfigure it into bunks, depends on your intended use. But one of the nice things is you have this separate little patio off the guest house for your own private use with this insane view. I mean, look at that. Amazing. Great place to just sit and chill, take a look down the shore. Now we're looking west that way, north that way. So you have unobstructive, like 260-degree views here. Incredible. And how about a private beach? Light the tiki torches and chill at night. Look straight up at those beautiful starry nights. Oh yeah, love it. All nice sand here. You got an outdoor shower you can rinse off. And then down to the pool. This is a little area they've sort of left. They were going to put sand here, but they decided to leave it because it could be a great herb garden or a vegetable garden ready to go. And then here's your lower patio, which ties in nicely to the upper patio. Lots of outdoor space here. Probably as much outdoor space as there is indoor space. Gorgeous palm trees putting out lots of nuts. And then down to this beautiful dramatic shoreline with an integrated stone swimming pool that is all salt water. They actually pump ocean water up through a strainer and into the pool. Incredible. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, here we go, coming down the stone steps. More of this gorgeous blue bitch stonework. And then down to this awesome infinity edge-like Caribbean seawater pool. Now you're saying, what? Caribbean seawater? Are you sure? Yeah, you know how I'm going to prove it to you? On my way here today, I stopped to a local fisherman and picked up a lobster just to prove it. We call him Lenny. We dropped him in there a little while ago. Right now he's just chilling. He's like, will you guys set me free? We're like, yeah, Lenny, after we finish this scene, we're putting you right back there so you can go make lots of babies. What do you think, Steph?
This is magical.
Magical indeed. Unbelievable. I mean, look where we are, right on the ocean front. There's multiple tidal pools here, so when it's not so bumpy right now on a calmer day, you can go right down here and just chill out. In fact, even on a day like today, you could hang out down there. So awesome. All right. Time to set Lenny free. Come on down. I got him. I got him.
Hi, Lenny.
It's Lenny. Lenny, this is your lucky day, buddy. 25 bucks it cost me to set you free. Totally worth it. Here we go.
Bye, Lenny. Bye, Lenny.
Bye, Lenny.
Bye. Love you. Woohoo! Yay!
I hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If so, click down here to subscribe, click up here for more just like it, and right up here to go to our website to see everything about real estate in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Thanks everybody, see you next time.